I'm Tina, back every week with more DIYs. Catch you in the next one!
Cut it, tape it, frame it, turn the scrap into